The feud between the governor's office and the Arkansas Board of Corrections heats up once again.
Yeah, today a judge dismissed Attorney General Tim Griffin's lawsuit against the board. It's just the latest in a long battle between the board and the state. Typically, the Attorney General's office will represent state boards, but in this case, the board hired its own lawyer to sue the state. Because of that, Griffin filed a lawsuit, but Pulaski County Judge Tim Fox tonight ruled in favor of the board. Still gave, though, the Attorney General's office the option to try again. It follows a ruling earlier this month in a separate case where the board used its outside counsel. The judge in that case sided with the board, giving it the final say over state prisons rather than the governor. But the appeals are on the way.
At some point in time, if the Supreme Court disagrees, the special counsel wasn't properly retained, that there's a possibility you might be called upon to disgorge all that.
Attorney General Griffin released a statement after the decision saying he's already preparing an appeal to the Supreme Court. The Board of Corrections attorney tells us they're happy with the ruling and welcomes the Attorney General's office to meet and work through their differences.